So special thanks to this company for sending me their magnetic DIY toy. As you can see, color window magnetic film, dynamic and static combination of new toys, new technology on the track. So you can build different, magnetic little things, trains, etc. Hand-eye coordination, improve your imagination, and more. So the top, just building blocks, same kind of little info with a nice little carrying handle. This range is 3+, in case you're wondering. And the bottom shows you all of the pieces you get, and then the back, magnetic absorption, improve your imagination, blah, blah, blah. The side, building blocks, magnetic DIY. And then the back here shows you, again, the same kind of little picture and what you can kind of expect. Magnetic tiles marble run. Creative space imagination. Children can put marbles into the track, let the ball in coordinates with their own road to roll. Exercise the children. Expanding logical thinking, DIY creative thinking. So let's open this up, take a little look at it here. So we have point. I don't know how to. All right, so here's everything you get. Building magnetic track. Got 4 of those. Got the triangle pieces you see in the picture. One little set of stairs. A whole bunch of those. A couple of those. Some more magnetic triangle pieces. Those. And that looks like the top. And so then you can kind of see in this, it gives you some stickers and stuff. Very cool. Kids love stickers, ABCs, ice cream, hat, etc. And then here's kind of some of the stuff that the kids can try to build with this item. So if, now granted, I can't guarantee they can make all this with one set, but, there's a lot of pieces here. And these are basically the things that the kids can make. Little houses and stuff like that. So very cool. Anything on the back of this? Yeah, a little more on the back here. Some other designs. These are the items. This is what comes in this. If you were wondering, this company asked me to do an unboxing. So that's what I wanted to accomplish for them. I'll say the items have a lot of weight to them. That could be some of the metal, but also they just feel very, like even that plastic. I haven't even opened this, but it just feels very good in terms of hard plastic. Like I don't feel like the kids are going to break this thing in 2 seconds because the plastic is pretty strong. That should essentially do it for this magnetic DIY kids toy unboxing. Hopefully you've liked it and got a better idea of exactly what comes in this. 2 thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.